American snacks are way better.
Yeah, right. Mexicans have sabritones.
Yeah, well, we have corn nuts.
We have boo boo lubu.
But we have Ritz.
Bro, those are mid. Sponge is way better.
We have veggie straws. They're pretty good.
Why would you want veggies when you could have paleta payaso?
Yeah, well, I have something that's better than any Mexican snack.
Really? Prove it.
Beef jerky.
Mexicans have pingüinos.
That's just a knockoff Hostess.
Yeah, but these are Mexican, so they're way better.
All right, let me try one.